12th June 2025, a tragic day in India's aviation history. At 1:38 p.m., Air India's flight AI-171, a Boeing 7878 Dreamliner, took off from Ahmedabad airport heading to the London. But within the just 5 minutes, a disaster struck. A Mayday emergency call was sent by the pilots, and the second later, the plane crashed in a crowded residential area near Meghani Nagar, which is close to the BJ Medical College Hospital. Smokes, fire, panic, and then silence. 242 people were on board. This is the full story of the what went wrong on the Ahmedabad airplane crash. So friend, first let's talk about the flight details and the crash timeline. At 1:38 p.m. AIST from runway 23, the airplane has took off and the flight climbed to around 1,600 feet, then suddenly dropped. A mayday distress signal was sent at around 625 feet, after which the plane disappeared from the radar. Just after that, just second later, it crashed in a residential medical hostel area. And my friends, the eyewitnesses had said there was a loud explosion in the sky. We saw fire in the air, then the plane hit the ground with a huge blast. This happened within just 5 minutes of takeoff, giving no time for safe return or landing. Friends, if we talk about the aircraft, so it's a Air India's airline company, and the flight number is AI-171, and aircraft type is Boeing 7878 Dreamliner. The Boeing 7878 is known for fuel efficiency and the modern technology. It was supposed to be one of the safest aircraft in the world. But here's a big fact. This is the first ever deadly crash of a Boeing 787 Dreamliner since its launch, and that's make this crash even more shocking because no one has that this will happen. The airline gives the data of the passengers. There were 242 peoples on the board and 230 passengers, and with including 12 crew members. And if we talk about their nationalities, so 169 are Indian, 53 British citizens, 7 Portuguese, and 1 Canadian people. At least more than 30 people have been confirmed dead. Many others are still trapped under the debris, and some people were severely burned, taken to the nearly hospitals. Families are in the shock and may don't know if their loved ones are alive or not. After this incident, the government has come in response. The 7 fire engines, police, ambulance, and the NDRF teams were immediately sent to the site. Over 90 emergency workers are working non-stop to rescue survivors. Ahmedabad airport is now closed. All flights are suspended. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is monitoring the situation personally. Gujarat CM and local police are also at the site, and the Civil Aviation Minister had said no effort will be spared. Every life matters. Air India had opened a helpline and emergency center for the families of the passengers. What was the reason behind this crash? So, initial report says the engine fire or technical failure could be the cause because a few days ago a Boeing whistleblower warned about weak quality checks. In this crash, witnesses saw fire before the plane hit the ground. Some experts say that landing gear was still down, meaning the pilots may have been trying to turn back. And investigation teams from the DGCA India and Boeing and with international aviation experts will now study black box voice recorders and the crash debris. This will take some times and maybe weeks or even the months. Friends, this crash has shaken the entire country. Families are waiting, rescue teams are digging, experts are investigating. But one question is in every Indian's heart: why did this happen, and who is responsible for this debacle? Was it a machine error? Was it a human error? Or was it a big system failure? Until the answer comes, we can only pray for those who lost their lives and hope this will never happen again in India or anywhere in the world.